We use treat responder as a return type for the handler in Actix-Web server. Here we create a Actix server in main function. Let's create a handler, a sync function. Let's give the name hello. We will give it a returning type IMPL responder import from Actix-Web. Then let's add attribute to specify the method get. Let's give it a pass /hello. In this handler, when we specify the return type is this responder, we can directly return string status value like hello. Let's create another handler. Let's give it a pass word. Let's change this handler's name also to word. And we also can directly return string value. So let's return a string from word. Let's create another handler. Let's give it a pass user. Let's give this handler name user. Also, we give it a return type IMPL responder. So when we use this responder as a return type, we can specify the status code for the response. This time we'll return HTTP response. Then we can specify the status code. Like let's give it a status code OK. When we call this OK, it will give it a status code OK 200. Then we can add a body to specify the content in the response. Let's give it a value user. Let's add these three handlers to Actix-Web server. So in this HTTP server, after this application new, let's call method servers. First, let's pass this hello handler. Let's add another servers. Let's pass this word handler. Let's add also this user handler. Let's start our server cargo run. Let's use Postman to send a request to Actix-Web server. We will choose method get. Then let's visit URL localhost 3000/hello. Let's send this request. So you can see we will get a response hello, and when we directly return a string value, it will set the status code 200 OK. Let's visit localhost 3000 word. Let's send this request. You can see we will get a response word, and the status code is also 200 OK. Let's visit localhost 3000 user. We send this request, we get a response user status code 200 OK. Let's go back to the Visual Studio Code. Here in this user handler, let's change this status code to like a internal server error. Let's restart our server. Let's go back to Postman. Let's send a request to user root. Let's send this request. So this time we get a response user status code changed to 500 internal server error. After this HTTP response, we can call this function to specify the status code. This is about a responder and how to set a status code for response. Hope to see you next time.